Hi there, this is Eli at SafeNet, talking about Master Key and Master Introduction. So let me show you what is the Master Key. In order to do so, I just opened the Admin Control Center, the ACC, by typing localhost with port 1947. And here I can go to the Sentinel keys and see that I have here Sentinel LDK Master Key connected to the USB of this machine. Now, every vendor, every software vendor has his own specific master. So this master, which belongs to me with my batch code, will work only for me and will work only with my batch code protection keys, so I can make sure that it will be working only for me as an ISV. So this master key, the very first thing that you need to do with this master key in order for the LDK to know it and to know what are the libraries that it has to be working with is to make what we call a master introduction. And this is done by running master introduction. Let me just show you how to do it. You can go to the Sentinel LDK vendor suite and double click on it. And over here with additional tools, you have the option of Sentinel Master Wizard. And by following it, you can produce the master introduction, which creates the libraries for your own protection. But there is another option as well. If I go, for instance, to another tool like the envelope, and I'm trying to use it, since the envelope detects that there is a master key connected, it suggests me to download the customized APIs for my vendor libraries since the master key is here. If I press OK, there is going to be, as you can see here, Sentinel Master Wizard. There are several files, libraries, DLLs and libraries that are specific to my batch code that are being downloaded and decrypted using this master key. It can be done only when the master key, my master key is connected. And after this process is done, what will happen is first that I will have all the DLLs and the files which are part of my runtime API, my licensing API. This is one. And second is that the EMS will know exactly that I have a batch code. My batch code is going to be installed and is going to be used in the EMS. So this is the process of having this master introduction. Thank you for watching.